Mama first. I love you.
Wow. Adventure.
Hello.
Sit down.
No.
Yes.
What's your name?
Fast.
Woo!
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. So, it is currently 6 o'clock ng gabi guys, and we are just going for a walk kasi Mike and I work from home today, and ngayon lang talaga kami nakalabas guys. And you know what? I know like they're doing, you know, social distancing, but it doesn't mean na hindi ka na makakalabas. You can still go out, but you just have to avoid the crowds. Yung mga yeah, pero pag naglalakad-lakad ka lang guys, like ganito yung ginagawa namin, tingnan nyo, oh. Okay lang siya guys, wala naman siyang problema na pag you just go out for a walk, kasi that's very important din kasi na ang tawag dito, you can have your exercise, tsaka also fresh air na rin. So, nandito kami ngayon guys, kakalabas lang namin, ayan na si Mike, si Paris na sa farm, tapos pupunta lang kami sa isang park na malapit dito sa amin. So may park naman guys sa harap ng bahay namin, but gusto kasi ni Mike dun sa isang park na hindi ko pa napuntahan. Gusto niyang ipakita sa akin. So yeah, I'll just take you with me guys para makita din ninyo.
Mommy, run.
Mommy, run, honey. Mama, run. So, yun yung outfit ni Paris, guys. Oh. So, ito yung park, guys. So, sa makikita nyo, wala talagang tao dito. So, we're fine. We're safe. Yan na siya. Very excited na siya, guys. Yay!
Look.
Ito ang pa-outfit ni Paris ngayon. Ayan. Hello, honey. Oh, yummy. Daddy eat.
You guys have a please? Because I can't, make me sick.
Oh, this is... Oh no, it's killing me.
Eh?
You okay?
Really?
No, it's bug. I got you see.
Yeah, give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Sit down. Sit down. Harry, sit down, daddy.
Careful.
Okay, up.
No. No.
No.
Down, baby.
Daddy. No.
Nak, what's the color of Daddy's jacket?
Yellow.
Yellow.
That.
Yellow. What's the color of your jacket?
Sit
Black.
down. Okay, sit down, daddy. Wow.
No. 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 No.
No, no, no.
Nak, what's the color of Mama's jacket?
Pink.
This one.
Ready? Hold on.
But Daddy, careful, Daddy. Ooh. Yun yung mukha niya guys, oh. May padila-dila pa siya nalalaman.
No.
Uy, Daddy!
Wow. Adventure.
Ano?
Sit down.
No.
Yes.
What's your name?
Yes.
Paris. What's your name?
Mama.
No.
Yeah, ganyan si Paris guys. Kailangan tanungin niyo siya once lang. Kasi paulit-ulit na nagagalit siya.
Mama.
Mama, what's your name? Paris.
Just like
Go,
that.
go.
Tara, this one. Swing. Swing. Paris.
Uy! Swing! Yeah, come. Whoop.
Go. This one.
No, no. No.
Okay, climb up. Climb. There. You climb there.
You can do it. Good job.
Good girl. Next one. Pull your pants up, Mom. One more. Good girl. Wow, big girl. Go down the slide. Show Mummy.
Mama. Time.
Come on.
Bless you. Slide.
Up.
Ready? Good then.
Daddy will go slide with you.
Up, Daddy.
Woo!
1, 2, 3, go. Climb up. 1, 2. Good girl. 3, 4. Up, up, up.
5, 6. What's next to 6?
7,
8, 9.
10.
Yay! Wow, so high.
Oh no.
Wait, Daddy.
Yeah. Daddy's going on.
You gotta push Paris.
Push Paris. Whoa!
Woohoo! Hold on.
Okay, Daddy swing. Oi! Paris, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Watch out, watch out.
Daddy swing.
Push buttons. Nice job.
Oh!
Oh no, get the hat. Get the hat.
Put the hat on. 5, mama na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uy,
Hold on.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
No.
7.
No.
Wow! Are you okay? Are you okay?
Ada ka dam?
Uy.
Yeah.
Okay, give it to mama. Here, daddy. What happened to your eyes? Daddy. Yeah.
Get the ball, mommy.
Kiss mama first. I love you. Oh no.
Watch out for a swing.
Ihatag Bob. So bagong karon. So guys, nagpo-Facebook ko kami ng ano ko guys, oh. Yan yung brother ko guys. Hi dong sa akong vlog.
Mag-subscribe po kayo sa vlog ng ate ko po, guys. Like and subscribe, guys. Please.
Ano? Say ba please na nalalaman?
Button, guys. The bell button, guys. Please click the bell button.
Klaro lagi kay ka dong. Klaro lagi kay ka dong.
Ito po yung mother ko po, guys.
Hindi. Gwapo ka, gwapo. Si Ate Mimi di ay.
Naglakaw, naghatod sa pisaron.
Ah.
Kain po tayo sa kimchi, guys.
Namin sa sa park dula.
Kasi natunggal naman ako pares na daddy.
Pero ay di man tayo makita ninyo. Gadget lang. Tara. So, hi guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa park. Hi daddy.
Hello.
Kakatapos namin sa park. Tapos, pauwi na kami ngayon kasi magluluto na kami for dinner. Ewan ko kung anong dinner. What are we having for dinner, daddy?
Maybe steak.
Steak? Yum. Yeah, I'll be happy with steak. But yeah, guys. Kasi, Daddy and I work from home all day. So, from early in the morning, tapos kami ng, ng 5 o'clock. So, it's very important na lumabas kami, guys. Kasi, na-stuck lang kami sa loob ng bahay. Tapos, walang fresh air. Tapos, walang exercise. Kaya, this is the perfect way to do that, guys. Parang at the same time, nilalaro din namin si Paris kasi we take her to the park. Tapos, wala naman kaming guys. Wala namang maraming tao, guys. So, still, social distancing pa rin, guys. Diba? Kaya yun, it is currently, what time is it now? It's currently 7:05 ng gabi. Pero, guys, mataas pa rin yung araw. Mga pa yan, mga 8 o'clock pa yan siya bababa. But yeah, guys, that's about it for today's video, guys. Wala kaming yun lang yung ganap natin, guys. Naglaro-laro lang sa park. Kasi working from home. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed, and please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be bad.
taro nga ba?
Be safe, wasn't it?
Be careful.
Be careful. Same stuff.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.